ವಿಶ್ವದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಶರಣೆಯರಿಗೂ ಶರಣಾರ್ಥಿ. ಬಸವ ಜಯಂತಿಯ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. Concept of world peace is really an appropriate topic for Basava Jayanti, because that is what Shiv Sharanas led by Basavanna and other Sharanas were aiming towards, and creating a society that is peaceful and happy. Of course, we need to ask the first question as to why we say that the world is not peaceful as of now. Some of us say, well, all of us have emotions. Emotions lead us to love, hate, bigotry, violence, religious intolerance, territorialism, so on and so forth. That brings us the so-called concept of no peace on earth. In fact, some of us feel that it is very, very hard to achieve world peace under the current circumstances. But if you really examine why each of us are so different, we assume that we were born innocent, we were born happy. If you look at the children, they are always happy as long as they are fed. They do not have any other activity other than just smiling and playing. If that is the case, when did we lose that childishness? When did we lose being children and became what we are today? Through our experiences as we grow, as we interact with people, we accumulate lot of knowledge, lot of incidents that affect us and make us create a barrier around us, saying that I know what I am doing and I am me. Compared to me, you are someone else. So we start we start thinking that there is a difference between two of us. We are completely different from all the others. And in fact, we also start thinking that in so many ways we are superior compared to the others, and our ego takes over. So what can be done in terms of creating this so-called world peace is to somehow remove the barrier that we have created ourselves between ourselves, and see that what we see the other individual as another soul is equivalent to us. He is same as me. He is a father like I am. He is a son like I am. If that is the case, all we need to see each other is the soul within them rather than the individual differences. Can we bring about that kind of mentality, that kind of situation to the world? Shiv Sharanas said, yes, we can do that. So the main theme that was brought up by all the Shiv Sharanas activities led by Basavanna and others was the concept of equality. He said, ಎನಗಿಂತ ಕಿರಿಯರಿಲ್ಲ, ಶಿವಭಕ್ತರಿಗಿಂತ ಹಿರಿಯರಿಲ್ಲ. That means we are all equal. There is no one inferior to me. I am not superior to anyone. So that is the first theme that he talked about. In fact, he experienced inequality at his early age when he saw that he could go through a thread ceremony whereas his sisters could not. And he started questioning why women are treated differently than men. Then he started saying the women and men must be equal. Later on in his life, as he became the chief minister, prime minister of Bijala, he noticed the 4 divisions in the society. These 4 divisions were created in order to create labor distribution, as it was called: Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya, and Shudra. Although they were eminent in terms of continuing the community going, people became much more militant in each of those areas, and they said a person in one division cannot cross over to another division. And one division, Brahmins are superior to Shudras, so on and so forth. That kind of mentality came into being. And then Basavanna decided to fight that, and he started essentially driving home the concept of equality, both from gender's point of view, from profession's point of view. And he said, no profession is inferior to other profession, whether you are a professor or whether you are a janitor. It does not make any difference. Both are individuals, both have their own duties. As long as they do their duties, each of them is equal in all the other respect. All said and done, they are simple souls, and they simply are performing their duties the best way they can. How can we bring in this kind of thinking of equality? That is when Basavanna coined this famous vachana, which I am very fond of, said, Ivanarava, Ivanarava, Ivanarava Enisadiraya, Ivanamava, Ivanamava, Ivanamava Enisaya, Ninna Manaya, Maganandinesaya, Kudala Sangamadeva. When you look at the other individual, don't say, who's he? Who's he? Say, he is mine, he is mine. Say that we are all children of that divine God's house. And then call him Shiva, call him any other name. The Father is the fatherhood. We have to attribute the fatherhood to that common Supreme Being. And we are all children of that Supreme Being. We are all souls that are part of that Supreme Soul. We need to give credit to the fatherhood of the Supreme Being, at the same time the brotherhood and sisterhood of all our fellow beings. That is the concept that Sharana's portrayed, and to bring about the world peace. World peace comes in when the individual is at peace. When the individual is at peace, he contributes to community's peace and hence to the world peace. How can an individual come to that concept of peace? How can he create his own peace? Then we look at two different aspects of it. One is material completeness, the other one is mental or spiritual completeness. Material completeness is essential for someone to achieve spiritual completeness. When, because of our desires, we have a need for acquiring wealth and acquiring other resources to quench those desires or to complete those desires or to overcome those desires. That is where the concept of Kayaka came in. Kayaka is Satya Shuddha Kayaka, which is the duty of the individual. An individual does his duty, gets trained and puts in 100% into whatever he needs to do, and does that as a service to humanity, which is a service to God. That is Kayaka. From that Kayaka, he earns enough resources for his day-to-day living. And when we quench our desires, when we limit our wants and needs, the resources that we have become adequate. Once we use our resources for our adequacy, we need to share that with our community. That is the concept of Dasoha. So just the concept of Kayaka and Dasoha, where individual well-being and community well-being brings about the completeness in terms of materiality. Once the materiality sets in, we can think in terms of spiritual completeness. Spiritual completeness comes in from the very, very fundamental vachana of 7 commandments that Basavanna gave us. Kalabeda, kolabeda, husiya nadiyalu beda, tanna bannisalu beda, idara aliyalu beda, ide antaranga shuddhi, ide bahiranga shuddhi. This is the internal purity. This is the external purity. We need to strive towards that internal purity, thinking about ourselves, thinking into ourselves and looking into ourselves, saying that we are that soul. We need to find our own self by being with learned people, by being with the community, by being community oriented. We need to develop the internal purity, and that in turn helps us to produce the external purity so that community can be pure and joyous. So that is the concept of Antaranga Shuddhi, Bahiranga Shuddhi that Sharanas portrayed for us to remember. Assuming that we can do all this, assuming that we follow some of the other concepts that Sharanas have given us, ನುಡಿದರೆ ಮುತ್ತಿನ ಹಾರದಂತಿರಬೇಕು. ಪರರ ಚಿಂತೆ ನನಗೆ ಕಯ್ಯ, ನನ್ನ ಚಿಂತೆ ನನಗೆ ಸಾಲದೆ. So whatever I have is given to me by that Supreme Being. Whatever I do is that Supreme Being's service. Service to the humanity is service to the Supreme Being. If we can develop that kind of thinking, that kind of concept, and each of us can contribute to that kind of individuality and commonality, then we can do justice to what Shiv Sharanas told us. They did not only talk, they walked, and we have to do the same thing. We are not only talking, we should do the walking along the Sharana principles so that we can utilize this Vishwamanava Dharma, the global humanism that Basavana gave us, that tattva that he gave us to bring world peace. So these are the simple concepts. There are other details that we can go into looking at various vachanas we have, but very, very simple the concept of kayaka, dasoha, equality, thinking my fellow being to be the same. Dayave dharmada moolavaya. Dayaviralli sakala pranigalalli. All the beings around us are equal to us. Be kind, be compassionate. Look at everyone as another soul, just like we have that soul, and respect that soul in every one of us. If we can do that, then we can bring in peace within, we can bring in peace within the community and within the whole world. So, Basavana's, Sharana's way of life is really a very simple way that we all can cultivate to solve majority of the problems we have in this world today. Thank you. Sharan Sharanarthi.